Hi, welcome to my Not So Makeupy voiceover episode 3. Today's quote is look inside yourself. You are more than what you've become. Remember who you are. And this quote is from The Lion King if you've watched it. It's a very famous quote and it's really, really cute, so I decided to put it in today. As for song recommendation, today I'm gonna recommend the song by Macklemore. It's called Glorious. It's such a good song and I definitely recommend you listen to it if you haven't already. I did also want to throw in a movie recommendation, and the movie of the month for me is Alice. It is like a spin-off of the original like Alice in Wonderland movies, except this one is just called Alice. It came out in 2009. It is a sci-fi version, so it is a little weird, but it's definitely such a great movie. Like I definitely recommend. It's actually on YouTube. There's two parts to it and I'll have them linked down below so you could go give those a watch. It's really, really good, and the ending especially is just it's such a good movie and I definitely recommend. I hope everyone's Christmas was amazing. I actually spent it with my family. We were playing card games, Monopoly. It was a lot of fun and the time just flew by. So I hope everyone got what they wished for and you guys had an amazing time. And as for channel update, I did want to update you guys. I actually made it to 200 subscribers on YouTube, which is crazy because, you know, if you're a fellow YouTuber, you know how hard it is to grow on here. So it's so amazing to finally make it to 200. It was so hard to get to even 100 subscribers. And yeah, and it's just amazing. Thank you guys so much for all my new subscribers. Welcome. And I hope you stick around. But yeah, so, and I also wanted to update you guys on a new project pan that I'll be starting in 2020. It'll have to do with my lipsticks. I just want to use up all my bullet lipsticks and stuff. So I'll be updating you guys in a couple weeks on that, and it's gonna be really fun. It's gonna be a year-long project pan, so look forward to that. Let's move on to movies that I watched since the last time that we spoke, and we actually watched a total of 5 movies this month. And the first one was Fighting with Fire, and if you've heard of that one, it was about like the firefighters, and then John Cena came out in there, and it was really interesting. It wasn't the best movie. I give it a 4 out of 5. It was okay. He did come out shirtless a couple times, so um, it was interesting. Not the best movie. I think it's okay. If you haven't watched it, you didn't really miss out on anything. The next one was Knives Out, and that one I give it a 5 out of 5. It was kind of like a mystery situation. It was really, really good. The guy that plays Captain America came out in there. 007 came out in there, and a lot of like good actors. And it was just really good, and I definitely recommend that one if you haven't watched it already. It's really amazing. The next movie is Jumanji: The Next Level, which is a follow up of the other Jumanji movie with The Rock and Jack Black. Nick Jonas came out in there, and that one was really, really, really good and really hilarious. 5 out of 5. Definitely go watch it. Okay, the next one is Star Wars: The Rise of the Skywalker. Another one that I give 5 out of 5. If you know me, I've actually never watched any like Star Wars movies. I've just never been into them, never sat down to really watch any of them. So my boyfriend did, buy the tickets for us, and I just happened, like, I went. And it was actually really good, even though, like, I haven't watched any of the other movies. So I didn't know, like, the characters that well. But it was cute. Like, I really enjoyed it, and I liked the message behind it, and I really did enjoy that one. So that one's definitely recommend 5 out of 5. And the last one we went to watch is Spies in Disguise with the main character's voice being Will Smith as a pigeon and a spy, and it's just really, really cute. That one's like probably the top one from this list for me. Like, if I could give it a 10 out of 5, I would. It's just really, really hilarious and family friendly. So if you have kids, you should go take them to watch it because that movie was so funny. Definitely a top one of this month. Like, it was that great. And we made it to the final category, which is Makeupy updates. And I do have an update on my palette count. As of now, I have 52. Well, as of my latest video, which was decluttering my palettes, I had a total of 52 palettes. Since then, I did receive a palette as a gift from a student at work, And then Christmas just passed, so I got 2 more palettes equaling 3 more in my collection. So final palette count as of now is 55 palettes, and I will be updating you guys as these episodes progress and stuff. So yeah, so I have a total of 55 palettes. You guys know I just decluttered 19. So we'll see. I just started my palette lottery again, so I get a use out of most of my palettes and stuff. So yeah. Next thing is a palette declutter, and what I'm doing is I literally grabbed a lot of the mascaras that I had open. I have a bad habit of opening like mascaras all at once, which is not great, and I just like have them there and then I forget how long I've had them and stuff. So what I did is just threw away my old mascaras, and we're gonna start anew. There's one mascara open as of now, which is the Lancome Big Monsieur Big Mascara, which is a mini, and I'm gonna keep that open for 3 months, and then I'll toss, and then I have some new ones lined up, and then I'm just gonna do that from now on because it's not good to keep mascaras, you know, that for that long. Okay, can we just talk about the fact that this video is 10 minutes and 10 seconds long, and I literally already finished everything that I needed to say. And ironically, when I have 8 minutes, I barely have enough time to talk to you guys. So this is awkward. What can we talk about? It makes me remember like the times when I was in college and I would have like those presentations, and they give you like a certain amount of minutes, and like for me, for example, right now I'm doing it, I forget to breathe, so I just talk really fast, and then just to get over it or get through it, and then I have so much time left, and then I fail the dumb assignment because I talk too fast. Well, let's you know, guys know that's not the purpose of these types of videos to acknowledge what's going on in the actual video of me putting makeup on. But can we just talk about these little sets that my boyfriend got me from Too Faced? It's called the Gingerbread House set, I believe. And it's interesting because I wanted the Let It Snow Girl kit. I did mention that in a latest video. I think it was a tag video. And he didn't get me that. I thought that's what he got me, but I'm actually super surprised at how much like I like these sets. Like it comes with that little palette, it comes with that big palette. The face palette blew me away. It's just so great. It's just so great. Today's the day that I use this palette, and I was really impressed. I really loved how my makeup looked. I wasn't a big fan of the foundation. They were 2 little samples of the Too Faced foundation, so. And I also did try out the lip plumper from the beginning of the video, and honestly I was freaking out because it really does sting your lips. Like I didn't even really see a difference. Let me know if you did. But honestly, like I felt the tingling the whole day. Right now, like I feel like it's gone. But yeah, it just kind of freaked me out a bit. I'm gonna keep using it just, you know, to get a hang of it. But it didn't really make as big of a difference as I thought it would. That was also a gift. But I'm so glad that I got to try it because I've been wanting to try those. I've heard that they were really good or whatever. You know, we all want bigger lips and stuff. So yeah, I don't feel like it made a difference though. Yeah, so what else can we talk about, guys? I'm so surprised that I literally finished like my whole speech that I had prepared, and it was long. It was a whole page, and I finished it so quick. Like there's still a lot of time left. But look, this is a mascara that I'm talking about, the Monsieur Big Mascara. It's really good. Like I really like it. So, well, you know what? We're almost at the end. So let me go into the outro, which you guys have heard plenty of times. I hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you guys and doing the voiceover for you guys. It was definitely a lot of fun. And I do have 2 other episodes which will be both down below, as well as some videos that I uploaded last week. If you guys are interested in any of those, everything is down there. And everything on my face as well. Don't forget that I upload every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every other Sunday. I'll also have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of finds from drugstore to high end. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.